Easing off from the 9-year high inflation rate of 6.4% in August of 2018, the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas noted the slump towards the final quarter of the same year. This has both positive and negative implications on the economy and the consuming public. Joanna Cruz has the details.
The BSP's inflation outlook for 2019 is within the target range. The BSP sees an inflation rate of 3.2% for 2019, well within the target inflation rate of the administration's economic managers of 2 to 4% in 2019 and 2020. This would be a significant decline from the 2018 actual inflation rate, which ultimately registered at 5.2%. Inflation is then expected to further decelerate at 3.0% in 2020, according to the central bank. But will these forecasts remain steady despite the implementation of the second tranche of the excise tax on petroleum products? Jeepney driver Jose is one of those affected by the fluctuating prices of gasoline.
Wala lang pahingang mahaba. Tuloy-tuloy na, di ka makapahinga. Napupunta lang sa crudo, diesel.
An additional 1 peso excise tax is imposed on LPG on top of the existing 1 peso from the first tranche of oil excise tax. Another 2 pesos is also levied in diesel and gasoline on top of the 2 pesos and 50 centavos and 7 pesos previously implemented respectively. The government had decided to pursue the implementation of the additional taxes due to lower prices of crude oil in the world market. BSP Assistant Governor Francisco Daquila Jr. explained that the oil excise tax will have minimal effect on the inflation rate, which is expected to contribute only 8 basis points or 0.08%.
Now, as a basis for that outlook, we already incorporated the impact of the higher excise taxes on fuel. So that even with the higher excise taxes on fuel, we expect inflation to revert back to within the target range for the 2 years that I had mentioned.
Daquila added that rice prices will be the primary factor that will drive the direction of the inflation. The supply of rice began to stabilize due to the harvest season and the arrival of imported supply. This led to a slowdown in the rise of prices of commodities. The official figure was pegged at 5.9%, the previous quarters at 6.2%. Domestic financial system remained healthy. Total assets and deposits in the banking system were robust, and the value of peso appreciated to 53 pesos and 26 centavos per dollar from the third quarter's 53 pesos and 54 centavos. Joanna Cruz for The Nation.